Hi, it's me again. This is our math. We are doing recognizing two-dimensional and three-dimensional shapes. Now I have the pictures of the three-dimensional shapes, but remember the two-dimensional shapes are just the flat shapes. They are like the circle, the triangle, the square, the rectangle. Okay, so if you want to, you can just cut and paste these three-dimensional shapes, cone, cube, cylinder, and sphere, and put them over here, and then draw your two-dimensional shapes, circle, triangle, square, and rectangle on this side. So I want you to open the page up when you're done with that. If not, you can do it after our lesson or after my lesson. This one's pretty easy. We are going to circle the two-dimensional shapes. Remember, those are the flat shapes. The square, the rectangle, the triangle, and the circle. Um, to know the difference between. Now remember, the flat shapes, you can't see all the way around it. It doesn't slide, it doesn't roll, it doesn't stack. The flat shapes are just shapes. So I want you to circle all the two-dimensional shapes, just like they did here for the square. All right, then I want you to put an X like they did on the sphere because we can see all the way around the sphere on the three-dimensional shapes. All right, have mom and dad check it to make sure that you circled and X'd out the correct ones. All right, then on the next page you're gonna color the red ones um, that are the two-dimensional shapes. So I'll give you a clue. This one is a two-dimensional shape. It is flat. You're going to color that red. Then you're going to color three-dimensional shapes blue, which is right here. This is a three-dimensional shape because we can see all the way around it. I'll let you do that. And I know you may not be done, but I'm going to go ahead and go on to the next. And then you can pause the video if you need to. And then I want you to know, on number 3, I want you to draw a flat two-dimensional shape. And then on number 4, I want you to draw a three-dimensional shape. Okay, and that is it for our lesson for that one. That was so easy, wasn't it? I know. Sure do miss you. Tomorrow we're going to be talking about above and below. Okay, things above and below. All right, well, you have a great day. I will send these papers home. I'm going to come and bring them to you today so you have them. All right, have a great day.